Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I still think this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3, especially when you use correlated yen pairs to help you figure out these patterns, which means that we're probably going to need a 4 and a 5. And we are definitely not respecting the 200%, so I actually think it is going to go up to the 123, which is a little bit above the 168 area. Then that actually lines up perfectly with these previous highs, so I think that's going to make a wave 4 and a wave 5 just to finish off this last section of uptrend. So basically that tells me that we probably are at least 6 months to a year out before this thing really does turn down in a big way. So going down to the weekly, I mean, we're definitely not respecting this 200%, which definitely makes me think that it is going to go up to the 123. And like I said, that lines up with the previous highs on the monthly. Then I think we are going to have a pretty significant big move to the downside for a wave 4, which would probably last about the same time that this wave 2 lasted. Then probably another push up for a wave 5, just like I showed on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily, we definitely don't have any evidence that the wave 3 is over and that the wave 4 has started yet. There's no breaker structure. I mean, we did just take out this previous high, so a pullback is actually very likely. And maybe it will go down a little bit. Maybe it will retest the 200 area before it actually does continue up. I personally think, especially because there's no evidence of this being over, that we need to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, this has been very choppy, but I mean, if you did nothing over the past several weeks, except for really actually the last several months, except for go long at the end of every single pullback you see, you would have made a fortune on the euro yen as of now. So what would I be doing since there's no evidence that this trend is over? I would definitely be looking for 3 waves down. I'd be looking for a pulsive up for the continuation of the uptrend. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we don't even have a breaker structure on the 1 hour. I mean, yeah, maybe this is going to go down. Maybe it is going to break structure. If it does, then fine. You could start looking for shorts as like a shorter time frame trader. But there's no evidence that that's even going to happen. I mean, this could easily just make a higher low, 3 waves down, higher low, and continue to trade up. So at least until I see some sort of significant breaker structure down, which I would prefer to see on at least a 4 hour and daily, I think we need to continue to look for longs until the market proves us otherwise. Trading with the trend has definitely been the most profitable strategy over the last few months, really the last few years on the yen pairs, because this is about a 4 year uptrend on the monthly time frame. So, like I said, I think we're still in a wave 3, and what are we doing in a wave 3? We're trading with the trend on shorter time frames, so that's definitely what I will continue to do. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.